In this video, I am going to solve the second question of electric circuits from the GATE EEE 2021 question paper. The question is, in the given circuit, the value of capacitor C that makes current I equal to 0 is dash microfarad. The question is given in AC networks. The topic is AC networks. So here 10 volt is given in series with the 10 ohms plus J5 is inductance, and in the second mesh J5 ohms is the inductance. Across this voltage source, J5 ohms is the inductance and capacitance is also given. Here frequency is given as 5k radian per second. So let me solve the problem. So we all know Ohm's law. So V is proportional to voltage is proportional to current. Equating the proportionality constant is R, we know. Resistance in case of DC networks, and V equal to IZ impedance in case of AC networks. When we consider the frequency domain, this Z will become X, which is called as reactance of the circuit when we consider omega domain. So V equal to Ix in the case of AC networks. So here frequency is given. So let me take this equation. What is the condition given? The capacitor C that makes current I equal to 0. So let me substitute I equal to 0 in this equation. So X equal to reactance equal to V by I. So when I equal to 0 means V by 0, anything by 0 equal to infinity. So we are considering this as to solve the problem, x equal to infinity to solve this problem. So let me find the total reactance of the circuit. So let me term this as xt, which is total reactance of the circuit. Total reactance of circuit. So let me find xt equal to so 10 plus J5 plus J5 in parallel with J5 plus J5 ohms plus in series with the capacitance. So capacitive reactance is, we know, Xc. Ten plus J5 plus for the parallel condition J5 into J5 plus Xc by J5 plus J5 plus Xc. So simplifying this one, 10 plus J5 plus, so J square is minus 1, so minus 25 plus J5 Xc divided by J10 plus Xc. Now taking LCM, 10 plus J5 into J10 plus Xc plus minus 25 plus J5 Xc by J10 plus Xc. So which is equal to, we are equating this equal to infinity because we found x equal to infinity. So we are equating the total impedance equation to infinity. So anything by 0 is infinity. We know this. So we are considering only the denominator term to find the capacitance value. So let me consider this denominator term. Anything by 0 equal to infinity. So we are equating this in denominator term to 0. What is the denominator term? J10 plus Xc. So J10 plus Xc equal to 0. We are equating the denominator term to 0. So J10 Xc equal to minus J10. We know Xc is 1 by Cj omega equal to minus J10. So therefore capacitance C equal to 1 by omega into 10. That is equal to, omega is given as 5k radian per second. So 5 into 1000 into 10. So that is equal to 1 by 5 is 0.2. So 0.2 into 10 power minus 4 farad. So what they given? What they asked dash microfarad. So we are converting this into microfarad. So that will become 20 microfarad. Capacitance C equal to 20 microfarad, which makes current I equal to 0. Capacitance C equal to 20 microfarad. That is the answer.